Welcome to our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the senior tuber community.
CTA, for those who have your handout, that is a call to action. Your videos should have a call to action. And when we're optimizing your video, we'll talk about this a little bit more, where you put it and how it's worded, but your call to action should be in the video, at least towards the top of your description. And you want to have something to ask your audience. So if you have a product or a course or something like that, that's your call to action, and you would put that sort of in the beginning of the description. If you don't have something like that, and many people don't, asking somebody to subscribe or giving them a question that you want them to answer, or you ask them a question like, who needs what do you need? Or asking them to subscribe. Those are all call to action. And as long as they're at the top of that, more people will see the top of the description than the rest of the description. Only a few people will look at the rest of the description. So you want to plan your call to action, because one of the things you're going to do here is you're going to create your video after you create your thumbnail and your title. And once you do that, then you're going to create your video, and you'll also want to know your call to action. That's something very important. It's pre-planning. It's going to help you with a video that is going to bring, hopefully, a lot of views for many, many years. All right. Now, another call to action you could use is affiliate marketing. If you represent a company, a sponsor, or an advertiser, you can use it for your merchandise if you want to do it, if you want them to sign up for your newsletter, and if you have, like I said, any digital programs.
Thank you for watching our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the senior tuber community.